On January 18, 2026, YouTube wiped 16 AI-generated channels in a single morning. Combined, 35 million subscribers, 4.7 billion lifetime views, $10 million in annual ad revenue gone. The largest channel deletion wave in YouTube's history. There were 5 exact patterns the algorithm flagged, and one of them is hiding in almost every AI YouTube automation tutorial right now. Stick with me. On minute 6, you'll know if your channel's in the danger zone. Here's what actually happened. YouTube CEO Neal Mohan publicly announced the action. He called the targets AI slop, channels designed to game the algorithm using mass-produced, low-effort AI content. The platform termed it the inauthentic-content policy. It replaced the older repetitive content policy in July 2025. That was the warning shot. January 2026 was the enforcement. One of the casualties, a 588,000 subscriber Bible story channel earning $30,000 per month, demonetized in a single email. Reason given by YouTube, inauthentic and mass-produced content. That channel had been running for 18 months, built up real subscribers, real watch time, then gone. Now here's what nobody's saying out loud. The 16 channels weren't bad actors. They weren't running scams. They were running playbooks taught in every Make Money with YouTube automation course on the internet over the last 24 months. The algorithm just got smart enough to recognize the playbook. Let's break down the 5 patterns it now flags. Number 5 is the most surprising. Pattern 5. Identical hook structure across uploads. Every video opens with the same syntax. Today I'm going to show you. Or, what if I told you? Or by the end of this video you'll know. The classifier doesn't care that the script is different. It looks at the opening architecture the first 15 seconds. If 50 of your last 100 videos start with the same template structure, that's a flag. The fix is structural, not just word level. Rotate hook formulas, not just words. Pattern match, bold claim, story cold open, stat shock, negative promise. 5 different opening structures deployed unpredictably. That's what real creators do. They don't have a template, they have a toolkit. Solo OS POV. If your video script generator outputs the same opening pattern twice in a row, you have a ticking clock. Pattern 4, too perfect upload cadence. 3 videos a day, every day, same times, same lengths, same metadata structure. Real creators are messy. They miss days. They batch on Sunday. They post a 14-minute video Monday and a 6-minute video Tuesday. The classifier looks at the rhythm signature, and a too clean rhythm screams production line. The fix, deliberately introduce variants. Random gap days, variable lengths, mix shorts with long form, don't post at the same minute every day. The signal you want to send the algorithm is this is a human who has a life. Solo OS POV, schedule with intentional inconsistency. Skip Tuesdays. Drop 2 on Saturday. Make the cadence look like a real person, not a cron job. Pattern 3, TTS voice with no editorial perspective. This is where most AI YouTube automation channels die. The classifier doesn't ban TTS. It bans voice without POV. If the narration is just facts strung together with no opinion, no analysis, no contrarian take, there's no editorial signal. It reads as research summarized by a robot, which is exactly what it is. The fix has nothing to do with which TTS voice you use. It has everything to do with what the script says. Every video needs at least one moment where the voice takes a side, says something the consensus disagrees with, calls out a popular opinion as wrong. A bland voice reading bland facts is the most flagged pattern. A bland voice reading sharp opinions passes because the editorial signal is in the words, not the voice timbre. Solo OS POV. The voice is the cheapest part. The opinions are the expensive part. Optimize the script, not the voice. Pattern 2, visuals that anyone could have made. Stock footage. Generic AI illustrations. Stuff that has zero relationship to the specific script you wrote. If your B-roll could plug into any video on the same topic without being noticed, that's the flag. The algorithm calls this low informational visual density. Translation, the pictures aren't doing any work. The fix is to use visuals that couldn't have come from anyone else. Real screen recordings. Specific data charts you generated. Custom diagrams, the visuals have to prove the script. If you're showing me a Shutterstock photo of a brain when you say AI, you've added 0 value. If you're showing me your actual screen building an AI workflow, that's irreplaceable proof. Different category entirely. Solo OS POV, every B-roll asset should be defensibly yours. If it could have come from anyone, it shouldn't be in your video. Pattern 1, the big one. The one in every tutorial, topical mass production. Pumping out videos on whatever's trending without genuine framing. ChatGPT releases a feature you publish. ChatGPT just changed everything within 24 hours. Same headline structure as 800 other channels. Same talking points. Same affiliate links. The classifier sees this. It clusters videos by topic and timing. If your video is one of 50 published in the same 48-hour window with the same hook structure and similar title syntax, it gets clustered as topical noise. And topical noise is the exact pattern inauthentic content was written to kill. The fix: don't chase. Wait 2 weeks. Add original analysis. Bring data nobody else is bringing. Be the last channel to publish on a topic, not the first, and be the one with the actual answer instead of the speculation. Solo OS POV, and this is the contrarian one. Being slow is the new fast. Channels that publish in week 3 with depth outrank channels that publish in week 1 with hype. The algorithm has caught up. So how do you build an AI-assisted channel that doesn't trip any of these? 5 rules, memorize them. 1. Rotate hook architectures, not just words. Toolkit, not template. 2. Deliberately uneven cadence. Skip days. Vary lengths. 3. Scripts with sharp opinions. Voice doesn't matter, POV does. 4. Visuals that prove the script. Real recordings, custom data. 5. Never publish first, publish last with the answer. I built a channel called Solo OS using exactly this framework. Edge TTS for voice, Remotion for render, real screen recordings of every tool I cover. Every video has a Solo OS POV, a take you won't see on other channels. And the cadence is genuinely uneven. That's not a brag, that's the operating manual. Your AI-assisted channel passes all 5, you're not in the danger zone. If it fails anyone, you have a clock running. I made a 1-page version of these 5 rules, call it the Solo OS Compliance Checklist, free and